This time I'm at the Rocket Casual in County Tipperary. I'm heading back to the Rocket Casual for a little bit of unfinished business. Yesterday I was ordered out of the skies. They demanded I land the drone, threatened me with the guards. I was not impressed. So I'll go back now and there'll be no one to tell me what to do this time, that's for sure. So we're at the Rocket Casual. It is 6:30 in the morning. I've got the whole place to myself. The skies are blue. The place looks absolutely amazing. There's only one thing for it.